So hi everyone, how you are all doing? And welcome to my channel Seers of Light. Today I will be doing a short video. Before starting with my video, I will request you all to use hand sanitizer and mask in this COVID and prevent you and your family from this pandemic. And next I will also tell you in my video today, I have come with a very beautiful video with a pick a card reading, a quick reading on what the fairies want to tell you. Okay, so the card deck which I have used is Oracle card deck by Karen K. So basically, she is a very beautiful. She has designed a very beautiful card, fairies card. And to introduce about this particular thing, I would also tell you, in my previous video also I have mentioned that who are the fairies are the elemental beings, are the messenger of God, and they unlike angels, they have egos, they scan us, then only they come and protect us. Okay, so in their parameters, if you stand well, they will come and work with you. They are more connected to children unlike adults, because adults have not so open minded, so they don't some of the people don't really believe in fairies and elementals and also angels. So they work only, the fairies only work with children. So the adult who have this kind of open mindedness and believe in magic, they work with them. So this was a short introduction about fairies. So in this pick a card reading, I have taken three cards, the fairies message that fairies want to give you. Okay, so I have kept three crystals. The first crystal is rose quartz. This rose quartz are, let me adjust this camera. So the first card is the rose quartz. The second is this colloidite. This is very high vibrational crystal, and this pyrite. Okay, so in my next video, I will also be telling in next or coming videos, I will also be telling you about the crystals and how we can heal ourselves from the help of crystals. Okay, so just intuitively ask your spirit guide to connect with you, and just pick a card. I will be giving you 1 minute time. Go by your intuition. Ground yourself. Take 3 deep breaths from the nose and exhale from mouth. See, all the negativity is coming out from the mouth and positive vibrations are coming from your nose. Okay? Center yourself. See yourself in a pink color bubble. Okay? Now visualize that a white shimmering light is coming from your head, mid of the head, which is a crown chakra, and getting into your body and spreading in entire body. See yourself, roots are coming from your spine and it is going to the Mother Earth. Okay? Now ask your spirit guides and angels and God, whomsoever you believe or trust, give you a intuitive message which card you should select. Hope guys you have selected your cards. So I will start with card number 1, which is a rose quartz. Okay, so I'm removing the other cards. Okay, so guys, this card suggests that there is huge transformation which is coming to your life. Let me show you the card. So this card is about transformation. Okay, so the transformation which is going to happen in your life. Okay, so what does this fairy message tells? It tells that you have to surrender to the transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation, the best is yet to come. Okay guys, so this means that there is some kind of transformation being planned by the god. Okay, so you need to accept whatever transformation is taking place. So there are people who don't want to come out of their comfort zone, so they have to believe that it is very much necessary that we should come out of our comfort zone and believe and trust the universe. So universe has planned a very good things for us. We should trust and believe whatever good transformation is happening, it is for our best. Okay, so I will be taking, so guys, please believe in all the transformation which is going to happen in your life. So my second card, as you can see, there is a high vibrational crystal scholicite in it. So I will remove this crystal, and this card says, oh my god, this card says that inspiration. So okay, let me show you the card so that you can also understand if the if you have chosen pile number 2. Okay, so inspiration, it tells about be prepared as you will soon receive a visit from a fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any point of time. So let me adjust the camera. Okay, so fairies of inspiration. So what happens in our life? Okay, so we get inspiration by different methods. Okay, we are inspired by people, we are inspired by motivational speaker, we are inspired by ourself itself. Okay, so by our itself, how it happens. Okay, so in my next videos, in my consequent videos, I will be telling you how we get inspiration by someone whom we can't see. Okay, so here the card, the fairy message, what I will tell you, I will guide you through, because it's a short video for pick a card reading, so I'm not telling this thing in this particular video. So what happens, there are uh, to short up this thing, I will be telling you there are elemental beings, there are spirit guides, there are messenger of God, which has been nominated by God itself, himself, sorry. So himself, to protect us, to guide us, to show us the way. Okay, so to guide us through in our ups and lows. Okay, so there are elemental beings also, there are angels also, and there are spirit guides also. You might have heard about or not, I don't know, but there are animal spirit guides. Okay, जिसको हम लोग, if I can say that in Hindi, we can say them devdoot. Okay, so in my consequent other videos, I will be telling you. So more focusing upon this particular card, which I can see that the fairies of inspiration is calling you, and you will be get inspiration by a fairy. Okay, so the fairy who can visit you, she can call you at any time, so you can get intuitive downloads from fairy. So how you will get, you just have to go outside and ground yourself. So grounding techniques I will also tell you. So if in case you want how to ground yourself, you can also just message me. okay, in my this video, that how you can ground yourself, how you can connect to the nature. So you have to go out in in dark or dusk, okay, in dawn or dusk, so in nature, and you should call upon your spirit guides, your angels or your fairies, okay. So, whomsoever is your guardian angels or spirit guides or fairies, they will connect to you and they will inspire you. So, any kind of downloads you will get with the help of different clears. Now, what is clears? So, clears are the methods in which we get downloads, okay. So there are different kind of clears. So in my next videos I will give a brief discount of clears. So to shorten up, just for this reading purpose, I would tell you that the you need to go outside and seek your inspiration from the nature, okay. So the nature fairies will help you, and definitely you will be get inspiration from the fairies of nature. So any kind of downloads with a different intuitive feelings or by your clears you will get, okay. So your intuition will come and it will guide you, okay. So my third card is the pyrite. Okay, let me show the camera. Okay, so this is the pyrite. I am removing this, and this is a very beautiful card indeed. And this is one of my very beautiful card, most liked card. Okay, so hope you can see this particular card. So let me read something for you. Okay. So, in this card, it tells about during the colder months, the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest your most heartfelt wishes as long as your intentions are for the highest good of all. So, dear friends, what does it mean? It does mean that whatever you have desired, okay, so it will be manifested during winter months, okay. So, whatever you have planned, you have thought, you have decided will come to you in winter months. So let me tell you one thing. It also talks about a caterpillar, okay. So caterpillar does not know the day that that caterpillar will become a butterfly, okay. So this very beautiful transformation that happens to a caterpillar, and caterpillar is not good looking, you know, but still it it transformed to a better thing. And butterfly, you know, it's very beautiful, okay. So whatever you have wished, you have intention, okay, it will come to in the month of winter, okay. So when winter has approached already, it's there, and it will be continued till at least February, okay. So your heartfelt wishes will be manifested in winter months. So you can go out loud, say out loud in nature that what inspiration, what manifestation, how the intentions are going to be manifested. And you will definitely, you will by your intuition, but you have first you have to ground yourself. So without grounding, why I'm saying grounding is necessary, because in this COVID period, lots of stress is going, okay. So people are losing their jobs, there are people who are struggling with their targets, there are many downfall in the businesses, and there are lots of frustration within the family or the friends or anywhere due to COVID, okay. So also we also meet people in our lives who are, sometimes they are positive and sometimes they are negative. So if they are positive, then you will obviously you will absorb the positive energy into your body. But if they are negative, they act as a energy vampires. So grounding yourself is much necessary. Actually, every day you should ground yourself. So I will be telling you because ground without grounding, we also suffer from lots of stress, anxiety, and worries. And our bp level gets up. So here, grounding is otherwise also necessary. ठीक है. So if you want any kind of video in grounding and importance of grounding, I will take in another video. This was just a short video that I had made, and I hope you have enjoyed this reading. And I will also be happy if you share your valuable feedback to me. I am available in my YouTube channel, Seers of Light, and Facebook page by the name of Seers of Light. You can see all the description which is mentioned in my YouTube channel. Okay, and I am also available in Instagram. So keep watching my videos, like, share, and subscribe to all your friends and family. And I will also come with a very beautiful videos in spiritual healing. So okay, so thank you so much.